Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to part 8 of 10 of my series on how to make an exercise more challenging. Today I want to talk about asymmetrical loading. To appreciate asymmetrical loading, let's look at two kettlebells here. Each 30 pounds. And if I hold both in each hand, the weight is evenly distributed through my body right now. Now if I remove one, now we have a force that's pulling us down and it's throwing us off balance. So what we have just created is a force that is pulling us a deflection that we need to resist. So right there, we're making the exercise a little bit more difficult because we now have this asymmetrical force. We're not balanced out with the other kettlebell. So when we think of exercise progressions, we can look to things like a suitcase carry instead of doing two hands farmer's walk, or if we look to TRX, instead of doing a regular TRX row, we could do a one-arm TRX row, which now we have to resist the rotational effect that's throwing us off by pulling with one hand. So there's a way that we can also make an exercise more difficult to just make it asymmetrical in terms of the loading, whether it's a one-arm cable row, a suitcase carry, you name it. It's just a different way that we can play around with exercise progressions and regressions.